Hey guys, welcome back to your best lessons. Today I'm back with another gospel based fills. There is this nice simple song which we'll be going through today called EZE EBUBE. It has a very nice progression that is 6 3 4 1. Okay, it's a very nice progression which we'll be learning how we can play the fills and also move along with the progression. Okay, so if you're interested, maybe you want to learn a song or how to apply fills in that progression, this is the right video for you. If you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. I also do private class lesson. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So first of all, I'll try and break it very simple. From then I'll start applying the fills, the licks, and all those kind of things. Okay, so let's start from the beginning of the song. Let me break that down and move into the main boss. Okay, so it goes like this. Go. Your one, da 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 da. So that is your 1 5 1. Okay, then back to your 1 da 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 da. You understand? So it goes like this: 5 6 1 2 1. Then to your 5. You understand? Okay. So if you want to go to your 1 da 5 6 1 2 1, then to your 5. That is 1 2 2 5. Then back to your 1 5 5 1. Okay. Da da. From your 6 to your 1. Da da. You understand? Okay. So in the song, I forgot to play the 6, but you can just play da. You can bring in the 6. Okay. 6 6 7 7 5 1. Da da. You understand? So when you play it along, da 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 da. Okay, then to your 5. Da 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 da. Thank you, Jesus. So okay, I think that was what I played. So I played thank you, Jesus. So that is a very nice fills you can use. That is dun, 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 dun. So it is 5 6 5 5 6 5 4 2 3. Okay, so you pluck on your 5, you hammer on your 6. Okay, so you do same, you pull off back to your 5. Okay, so I think you do a shake on your 6. You understand? Okay, then your 4, you pluck on your 2 3, then you hammer on your 3. Okay, so then to your 5. You understand? Okay, so so 1 2 2 5, then 5 1. Okay, 5 1. Okay, so now let's move to the so let me break that down easy for you, then before we move to the main field. Okay, okay, so EZE EBUBE, da 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 da. Okay, da 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 na na. Go da 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 da. Okay, so let me break that down for you. Oh, So you have your 1 7 3 4 sharp, 5 sharp, 6. You understand? Okay. So if you don't want to go too far, 1 7 3. You have your 4 sharp, 5 sharp, and your 6. Then you can continue from here, and your 3 is very close to you. So da 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 da. You understand? So you have your 6 3 instead of you going too far, but it depends on how you want to play it. Okay, so once you have understand the progression, it is very easy. So now let's move on to the main fills I'll be playing along. Okay. So this is the first one, okay? Oh, is it? Okay, so that feels cover the 6 3 then to your 4. Okay, so remember the first one. Da 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 da. Is it? You understand? So you have your 6 3 5 6 6 6 3 5 6. You pluck on your 5, hammer on your 6, then 6. Okay, then you pluck your 2, hammer on your 7, pluck on 7, then 5 3. So it's something like this. So you just need to apply the technique to make it sound cool. Okay, so pluck on your hammer on your 7, then pluck on 7. So you understand? Then you pluck on 7, then 5 3, then to your 1, that is 3, same as 3. So 5 6 1 4. You understand? Oh, say. 5 6 1 4. Then back to your 1. So that you have 4 6 7 2 1. Then back to your 6 again. You understand the progression? So you understand? So it's very simple. So when you play a 1 1, then you'll be playing 7 3 6. So you understand? So you play 6 7 3 6 7 3, then 1 7 6. You understand? Okay, so 6 7 3 1 7 6, then to your 3 again. Okay, so let's break it down very simple so that you don't miss off. So now to your 3. Okay, you understand? So 6 3 4. Okay, so down to your 3. So you play 5 6 2 3, then 5 6 again, then you slide backwards. So 2 1. So okay, then when you play your root 1, hit on your octave, then to your 4. You understand? Okay, so you understand? Okay, then back to your 1. Okay, so when you're on your 4, you'll be going to your 1. Okay, 4. Then I need a simple lick back to your 1. Da 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 da. Okay, so we'll get to that. So when you play 1, da, da, da. Okay, so 1 5 6 1 6 7 6 5 3 1 9 9. Then your 2 1 2. Then here I played a lick over here. That is 3 to your 4. Okay, so 1 2. Okay. Okay, you just need to make it simple. Okay, so 1 2 6 7 6 5 3 2 1 5 4. Okay. Then to your 2 and 5. So 4 5 6 1 2 2 5. Da 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 da. You understand? So you can even rehearse without the song so that you get the lines very well. Okay, so now let's move to the last one, the same progression. So let me just teach you these few ones, then you can combine or start using all of it in the same song. Okay, so that's to your 6. So so that was what I play. Okay, so you have 5 5 5 5 5 1. So let me break it down. So you slide to your 6 2 3 2 1 6 7. Okay, then again it's a very nice lick. Okay, so okay, so then 6 7. So 6 7 6 5 3 1 7 6. Then to your 3. Okay. Then to your 4. So you understand? So 5 6 2 3 2 1 6 5 2 1 1 4. Okay. You understand? And your 3 4 5 6 1. Okay, so you can learn the fills and the legs and start using them. Okay, so remember that from your 1 7 3 6 you can do it takes you to your 6. Okay, so that is to your 3. So then to your 4, then to your 1. You understand? Okay, so just master this, get the song, understand the song very well, understand the progression and master the song. Okay, so guys, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. That'll be Thursday, God willing. Bye for now.